Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of GenAI Vlog. Previously, we talked about how to use command line interface to develop a React-based application using JavaScript and push that artifact and deploy it on AWS Amplify so that you can get your first Hello World application through this live URL. And it looks like this echo bot. Whatever I type in, it's going to repeat what I say. So now that we have this interface ready and we know how this works and how to update the script, now let's do something a little bit more fun. So what I'm going to do is build some sort of image captioning app using JavaScript. So let's go in here and update the script accordingly. So I have the script already updated here. Let's take a look at the script and see what kind of app do we have right now. So npm start, it's going to fire up an app, and let's see what it looks like. So it's an insurance policy, right? And then you can kind of see this is the picture. There are a bunch of handwritten digits, and it'd be pretty amazing if an algorithm can detect some of these. These are some basic input parameters. So let's go ahead and say, read the image for me. It says API failed. Let's see what happened. I think this response is probably not up to the code, right? It's probably the wrong format. So let's go into the Lambda API and then let's examine the CloudWatch data. So this is the Lambda that I'm invoking. Let's go to monitor and then let's go to view CloudWatch. And hopefully this will give us some insight of what's going on. I think this is I think this has something to do with the header and that it's not cross-region ready. So what I'm going to do is I need to update my Python code just a little bit. So let's go to our API and then let's click on the API that we created. Let's go to enable cores. And then let's check these options. I'm going to say save. We're going to deploy to the same stage, which is the dev stage. So that's updated. Now let's go back to the app. So before we launch the app, another thing you want to check is in the Lambda function, you probably want to update the function with the course headers. So what I mean by that is the following. So here, before the argument is created, I have the course headers that essentially spell out the access control allow origins with these methods. So with that being said, hopefully this time will work. So let me refresh. Let's go to our app again. Let's say, tell me a joke. Let's hit enter. And boom, there you go. It says tell you a joke. Awesome. Now we know that the API is working. Now let's upload an image. So for example, here's a picture of a cat, and then I say, describe the image for me. Hit enter. Hopefully say something about the cat, right? Boom, there you go. It says, instead it shows an adorable white kitten with striking blue eyes, things like that. Let's upload a new image with words inside. So here is the insurance policy. Maybe let's try again. Let's say, describe the new image for me. Hopefully it says something about insurance policy. Awesome. There you go. You get the idea, right? So now let's say I'm happy with this application. What am I supposed to do next is I'm going to my terminal. Let's get out this run. And then we're going to say amplify push to make sure the artifact is updated. And then we're going to say amplify publish. I'm going to say yes, we do want to publish. And then it checks the host and make sure that's processed. And now it's going to create the artifact, zip it, and deploy the artifact to the Amplify console. Once it's deployed, you can grab this URL and say open, paste the URL in there. So now we can go back to our Amplify console, go to Hello World app, find this URL, refresh, and then click on this URL. We should be able to see our live web application. And this is coded by React.js and with a live URL and hosted on AWS Amplify. And of course, you can talk to her, right? Tell me a joke. And it's going to tell you a joke. Great. I'm going to say, what's in the image? and then hopefully say something about the dog. Great, golden retriever puppy. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.